Just called mama and they were busy, like mama and papa were busy and they said we'll talk to you later. So हम किससे बात करें? एंड ये देखो यहाँ पे मून दिन में ही दिखता रहता है. अभी तो फिर भी थोड़ी शाम हो गई, वरना आफ्टरनून में ऑल्सो यू कैन सी. आज मैं टाइम से आगे खड़ी हो गई हूँ तो बस नहीं आई अभी तक. सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द बस नाउ एंड या सो बस एक दिन और जाना है, उसके बाद वीकेंड. सो आज है थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे जाना है, उसके बाद आएगा वीकेंड. सो ये वाला पूरा वीक लाइक आई सेड इवेंट्स के कंटेंट को इधर उधर सॉर्ट करने में ही चला गया. सो समटाइम्स यू फील इट्स नॉट अ बिग थिंग, यू नो, बस आ रही, इट्स द बस कमिंग. Sometimes you feel it's not a big thing, but actually it takes a lot of time to sort out the content and everything. अब बस से बैठते हैं, then उसके बाद बात करते. I mean, weather में it was like कि गर्मी होगी, but इतनी भी गर्मी नहीं है because मैंने ये पहन रखा है. And then फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैकेट लेके आना चाहिए. Last time I was like मैं अपने ऑफिस में रख दूँ, but मैंने रखा नहीं. So it's fine. Just थोड़ा सा वॉक करके. लाइक कैसे गाड़ी यहाँ पे रुकती है, आपको नहीं रुकना होता. The campus is quiet today. It's not that busy. Of course, it's Thursday, so people do have classes on Thursday and Friday as well, but most of them would have classes on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So these are like the 3 busy days of the week. So I mean, and I'll show you the lake. So that's the view of the lake for you. So the guys, no matter what time of the day you're watching the video, there is the lake. So I just called mama and they were busy, like mama and papa were busy and they said we'll talk to you later. So हम किससे बात करें? सब busy है तो हम किससे बात करें? आप बताइए. But yeah, I had my lunch and उसके बाद में, you know, I'll go and sit at my favorite spot. So come with me, and luckily it's not occupied today because yesterday I came and it was occupied. There was someone sitting at my place. But today there's no one, so we'll go sit there. So that's my usual spot. And it's pretty nice. Nice flowers on the trees. See? You can see? Yep, you can. So we'll go, we'll sit at our place. See family relaxing. They're cute babies. I love babies. So yep, we'll go sit there. So we're wearing black and white today. It's a little sunny here, so you should avoid sun. I love sun, but you should avoid here. Though I'm wearing sunscreen, but यहाँ पे UV rays बहुत ज़्यादा high है. So आपको जहाँ तक को avoid करना चाहिए sun में बैठना. So हम जाके बैठते हैं दूसरी bench पे. So we'll go and sit on this one. We have a better view here, but the lighting is not perfect. But anyway, is busy like always, so it's always good to be busy. And it's nice. I'm just chilling here for some time. I will use my phone and after that I'll go back. And of course I haven't found a place yet. I'm still looking for one. Once I find one I will let you know. So yeah, we have a better view here. So we are going back now. So ममा से बात नहीं हुई, ममा पापा से, बट मैंने थोड़ा बहुत फ़ोन चलाया, घर देखे इंस्पेक्शंस के लिए. एंड इंस्पेक्शन के लिए घर का बहुत वो होता है, यू नो, देयर विल बी ओनली इंस्पेक्शंस ऑन वीकडेज. दैट इज़ अ रियली बैड थिंग. आई टोल्ड यू पहले भी. बट अभी लकीली मुझे 1-2 घर मिले हैं जिनका इंस्पेक्शन सैटरडे और संडे को है. सो आई एम हैप्पी. मुझे काम से भी, यू नो, नहीं जाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक दैट वे. सो अब ठीक है, आई एम सॉर्टेड. आई विल गो ऑन सैटरडे एंड संडे. आई विल कीप यू गाइस पोस्टेड हाउ इट्स गोइंग. So on our way back to the office with this nice view here. I was just walking away and I actually met one of my colleague and शायद मैंने फ़ोन पॉकेट से बाहर निकाला था. जो मेरा लैनियार्ड था पॉकेट से वो पूरा बाहर लटक रहा था. and I met her. I said hi to her, and afterwards I just noticed that it was literally, you know, all out my lanyard completely. But yeah, sometimes you have those ouch moments, but this was not that embarrassing. It was just a lanyard. So yeah, now we're going back. How come the cafe is still open? Because usually it used 2 बजे बंद हो जाता है कैफ़े. यहाँ पे कैफ़े जितने भी कैफ़ेज़ है सब 2 बजे बंद हो जाते हैं, मैक्सिमम 3 बजे. They are not open until late, unlike other countries. The Australian cafes close at 2 or 3. It's still open now. So ये वाला जो कैफ़े है हमारे बिल्डिंग 23 के यहीं पे है नीचे, अभी खुला है. So बस अभी जाते हुए वापस back to done for the day. All right, done for the day. Right, so just going back home now. Got a little late, not too much, just 5 minutes. Had to send out an email. I thought I'll do it today rather than leaving it for tomorrow. So just did that. Now let's go home. तो ये हमारी यहाँ की स्पेशल बर्ड्स जो क्या करके आवाज़ करती है. आपको ब्लॉग में मेरी आवाज़ आए ना आए, इनकी आवाज़ ज़रूर अच्छे से आएगी. Pretty, the campus is so pretty. It has already started to get a little dark, and by the time I'll be home, I think अंधेरा हो जाता है. And ये देखो, यहाँ पे मून दिन में ही दिखता रहता है. अभी तो फिर भी थोड़ी शाम हो गई, वरना आफ्टरनून में also you can see. ये देखो स्टॉप पे बहुत भीड़ है. I think I should hurry up, otherwise I will miss the bus, and if I miss this bus, I won't be able to catch the next bus as well. So हम घर बहुत late पहुँचेंगे, so need to walk very fast. I think I should not walk, I should run. So like I said, bus तो miss हो गई है. अब बस का वेट करते हुए यहाँ पे. So ज़्यादा नहीं है, 10 minutes में ही है दूसरी बस. I had to buy rice. सब कुछ है, वो राइस ख़त्म हो गए. So राइस खरीदने जाना था शॉपिंग सेंटर, पर 10 मिनट में मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So I would leave it. निकल करेंगे. Pretty here, look at it now. Today it's like light pink. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's orange. But today it's pink. Alright, so अब हम घर जाते हुए. And yeah, it was a nice day, very productive. So like I said, I had so much content and everything that was pending, so I completed it today. I edited the videos as well. Editing videos take a lot of time, like a lot of time. Sometimes like the whole day actually goes in just editing. But it's fine. We are done with that. So I are home. So that was all in this video. I shall see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself. Bye.